I put together 5 different examples for you for how to answer the game plan. And you can just go ahead and explore each and every one of these. But for this video, I'm just going to be going through the first one, which is the SaaS Bootstrapper. However, I do recommend that you go forth and explore what are the different kinds of answers and the different kinds of approaches that you can use to answer these questions. All right, let's dive in. In our example case study, the hero can be one of many different kinds of people. Founders, influencers, creators, brands, agencies, marketers, interns. They are the different kinds of people who can actually use the tool that the SaaS Bootstrapper is building. I'll go into more details here, but what you need to understand is that even for your business, you would have many different personas for your hero. What you got to do is for each persona, you have to build out the game plan. The reason for that is the problem that a founder would face and the paradise that a founder would want would be different than, let's say, what an agency would want or what an intern would want, right? So that epic story that you're going to be building, which I've explained in previous videos, will change because we are putting the hero first, okay? You're putting your customer first. So this is the hero. The monsters, and again, I have based this entire example on the founder as the predominant persona of the hero. Some of the problems that the customer is facing is that, hey, they're not able to use Twitter really well. There's a lot of complicated data. They're not able to take action on these insights. There's too much. They end up doom scrolling. They're not able to stick to a schedule. And, there are existence of engagement circles. I freaking hate those. And spam accounts and fake engagement. This is a pestilence that needs to be destroyed. And we're all subservient to the mighty algorithm, including that founder. So in these problems that the founder faces leads to this sort of a broken world. Again, I'm not going to go into all of these, but just to give you, he knows that this Twitter thing, it has value, but it's trapped inside. And the founder, they have very low sales and revenue. They want to build a business using Twitter, but they can't. Their reach is messed up. Their visibility is very low. And they're just stuck, right? And there are a whole bunch of other problems that are plaguing them. The guide is a SaaS product, right? Twitter engagement and audience building platform. This is a hypothetical scenario. I haven't based this off any particular tool, but you can see that, this can relate to a bunch of different tools as well. All right, so we got that done. Let's look at the weapons. Remember, weapons are the things that the guide is going to be giving the hero to help them solve their problems. So what is this Twitter engagement and audience building platform giving a founder to solve their problems? It's giving them a streamlined interface, easy to understand analytics, recommendations. It's helping them keep focus on high value activities. And it has a whole bunch of other features as well that the founders can use. It's helping them schedule stuff, showing them popular tweets, trending tweets, giving them inspiration, yada, yada, yada. It also has AI. That's pretty dope. Now, what is the superpower? What makes this tool different? Again, I've just imagined stuff. It's built by people who have built a business on Twitter. It has solid technology, and it allows you to not just use this with Twitter, but hey, if you have stuff on LinkedIn, you can pull in that stuff too. If you have stuff on Instagram, you can pull in that. YouTube, no problem. It connects, right? And of course, it is AI powered. That is super cool. What are the quests that somebody like a founder would need to do on this platform, right? To leave the world that they were stuck in and get to their happy place. They have to set up an account, they have to create content, they have to schedule it. And when they get engagement opportunities, they have to respond to that. They probably have to set up auto DMs, do cold outreach, all these things. And the point that we're trying to say is, if the founder completes all of these quests and more that might be there, what's going to end up happening is they can leave the broken world behind and they will level up, right? They will understand how to get value out of Twitter, how to use it for business, make better decisions, and use it not as a distraction, but as a tool to build their business, right? All of these things happen. And by doing these things, they also get all of these. They get more money, more leads, better engagement, social proof. Their life is just so much better. And you can actually see that when they're describing their paradise, right? They understand the value of Twitter. They're getting leads, they're getting money, they're efficient, they're not feeling overwhelmed, they're getting ROI. This is all return on investment, by the way. These are all good things for them to have. Now, again, fictitious example, and this is going to be super valuable for you when you are looking to build out your own game plan. All right. And in the next video, we're going to be going into a new module and looking at the different channels that you can get for yourself. I'll see you there.